a quick recap of what we've discussed. We've discussed about the meaning of assurance, the meaning of audit, types of audit, types of assurance services. We've discussed about parties to assurance engagement. We've spoken about the person that is engaging us, the practitioner itself, and the end user of our information that make up a party. Then the subject matter, suitable criteria, evidence, and reports. The advantages and the disadvantages have been spoken concerning. Other audit related services, we've discussed it. Direct reporting, due diligence, compilation, review of data has been discussed, and we cap it by what is engagement letter. So